choose to go elsewhere, this type of love you don't find anywhere. He respects us as women and he takes care of us. The only thing is, he owes me 300.
Right now?
Well,
oh, really? Girl power.
Well, to be honest, Jamaica, she's talking about the $300. I pay her so much time, but before I pay you again, I would like to, Whitford, I'm not mashing up the show, but Queenie is a long time now. What you saying?
What kind of stupidness
This is the fuckery I'm talking about. You understand? Because you want me to be a part of your team, and like, you refuse to treat us equally. No disrespect, Queenie. You understand? No, you're crying peace, but you see that I'll bring me come on stage for. Sorry, Winford. I did this now. I'm about to.
Oh, easy. Hold on.
This real?
Him, sir, I made all sorts of money when I sneak up from it.
RT, what RT couldn't steer us, that's taking the piss, RT. I'm still married.
What the stopper?
Every time you bring me on board with things and then say you're gonna treat me equally, and then wanna embarrass me in Jamaica on stage. No. If me on YouTube, you spend $1 million on Queenie, $1 million on Queenie, and yet to give me what, $300? $300 freaking dollars and fly Queenie.
All right. You have to sit down.
From UK.
You have to sit down.
All right. You think I forget that y'all left
I have
me
something.
behind?
I have 100,000. Listen, I have something for you. Just sit down. Hold on. Just sit down. Sit down.
Let's hear. Hold on, guy. Hold on. So yes. So you.
RT pay me for come on with him at night time. AMARI for promote himself.
Hold on, Queenie. Pay up. Money top.